is a RAV4 hybrid with a dash cam attached. This unsightly power cord is in the way. My wife hates this wire for some reason. It gets in the way to get to controls or anything. Let's get rid of this power cord setup. Put the gear selector in neutral for better access and remove any hair ties. Simply pull the top of the boot down. At the front of the gear knob there is a small clip. It's right there. Use needle nose pliers or tweezers to pull the clip forwards. The clip retains the gear knob on the shaft. Once removed, the gear knob easily lifts off. Keep the clip in a safe place. Lightly lift off the gear knob. Keep the gear knob in a safe place. Use a plastic pry tool and lift off the fascia around the gear knob boot section. Move this section out of the way. Replace the gear knob if you want to move the gear stick forwards. This requires some power. Unclip the wireless charge panel. It just lifts off easily. Behind the cigarette lighter socket, unclip the plug. The white wire is positive. The white wire with the black tracer is negative. From my box of wire connectors I find a 2-pin plug and socket. I soldered the 2-wire connector to a USB adapter. This is insulated with vinyl wrap. We should disconnect the car battery. No sign of the battery here at all. Let's connect a test light to confirm the positive wire. We confirm the white wire is switched positive 12 volts. Use a sharp blade to expose the wire. Expose areas that are offset. The negative wire is normal copper. The positive wire appears to be aluminium with solder not able to be stuck to it. I wrapped wire around the positive wire, then soldered it. Once we have connected the feed wires, they are insulated. I used some more vinyl wrap as it leaves no sticky residue. The insulated feed wire is plugged back in. I dismantle an old corded mouse to use the USB cable. Wires are soldered to a USB socket and insulated with hot glue. The USB extension can send power to the short dash cam cord. The USB extension will feed to the 5-volt USB adapter. We confirm the power from the feed cable. Stiff feed wire is used to route the wire through to the door jamb. Tuck the power adapter away and replace the charging panel. There it is tucked inside. We drop the panel down, the wireless charge panel just clips back down easily. Replace the gear knob, boot and panel. The boot slips over the gear stick. Find the gear knob clip that you kept in a safe place. Insert the retainer clip so it will be easier to install the gear knob. Slip the gear knob over the stick. When the gear knob is fully seated, press the retaining clip in. Lift the boot back up and it clips on easily. Just make sure the gear knob doesn't slip upwards. Move the gear shift back to park position, back to the wire feed. We feed the wire out through the door rubber. More vinyl wrap is used to cover and help feed the USB socket through tight spaces. We connect the USB socket to the power cable of the dash cam. Make sure to replace any hair ties. Test the unit with accessory power. Well, we find the small USB adapter was not powerful enough. Here it is removed and ready to be replaced. I make up a small buck converter to set it to 5 volts. I test the dash cam with a 5 volt power supply so we can see the power consumption. The dash cam's working correctly. The dash cam drawing about 400 milliamps. I swap the quick connector to my homemade power supply. The accessory power on. Green indicates 12 volts into the buck converter. Red shows power is going out. More annoying noises my wife will love. Thanks for watching.